They poop a lot.
Gonna be hoeing, hoeing, hoeing. Go for a little ride. Don't go far. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm just now picking up the camera. It is probably, I got a phone right here. I'm gonna say it's probably 5 o'clock. It's 4:44. I got a message from Danny. She's so funny. She's like, "Oh, I made your parents some masks." It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I'm outside. I'm having a sit down. I haven't sat down like all day. I made some banana bread. I didn't film any of it. I'm sorry. I made banana bread, and it's funny because Danny is doing a video on shepherd's pie today, and so I had one of those big tubes of burger in the refrigerator. And I've been meaning to cook it up, and I'm like, I'm just gonna cook that up real quick. So I cooked that. It's like a 5-pound thing. I don't know if you guys can hear me if the wind's blowing across the mic. I don't know, but because I had that big 5-pound thing of burger, I was like, I'm just going to brown that up. So I browned that up while I was making banana bread, and then I'm like, you know what? I could do shepherd's pie. I got all the ingredients, and that'll be a quick and easy dinner for us. So I used my Instant Pot again. If you guys don't know, I got an Instant Pot in 2017 for Christmas because I really wanted one. It was like the in thing, and everybody was getting them. And then the horror stories came out of everybody, like their pot exploding on them, or you know. And a lot of it, I think, is probably human error. Like they didn't release the pressure on it. Help her get out of it. Help her get it back up this way. So my battery died outside while I was talking, but I just came in to change it real quick. Here's my banana bread. I made 2. I doubled the recipe. Here's my shepherd's pie. We used corn because that's what we have, and the girls like corn. And then I have a, you know when you have leftover banana bread or like mix, like in the bottom of your thing? I didn't want to waste it, so I made a little pan of it, and we've been eating off that, and that's all that's left. It's really good. So anyway, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I'm trying to block the wind. I'm hoping it's blocking. So, I don't even know where I was going with this. I guess I was just explaining what I was doing. I made dinner. It's just sitting there. My husband and his brother just went to go get lumber and stuff for the chicken coop. And I'm gonna have to rent a tiller or something. Probably gonna rent one. I'm gonna call him real quick. I see that. What is that?
Oh my gosh.
That might be ready tomorrow. It's a strawberry. Yum, yum, yum.
Mommy, you need to watch her whenever I take her out far.
Oh, Boo or Journey?
Boo.
Bye, see you later.
And I'll chase her, and she'll run as fast as she can back to the deck.
Oh, she slapped you.
She did.
She said, no, don't do that. She's mad at you. Did she get you in the eye? You okay? I'm gonna slap her.
You butt. You naughty butt.
You girls want to eat or what?
Yeah.
You want to eat dinner? Or you want to wait for Daddy?
You're naughty.
You want to go check the chickens real quick? Let's go check on your chickens.
Okay, Mom.
We'll have to clean this out again tomorrow.
They poop a lot.
They poop a lot.
See, that one always
She's like, I'm first.
First, she wants to probably.
All the rest of them are like.
Here, she's the big.
Oh, you're.
Jealous.
Here, put this one down here and put a little one in your hand and see what happens. Watch this, guys. This chick. Oh, careful, honey. No, okay, you got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch him get jealous. Oh, look at that. Turkey. Hold your hands out.
No,
Say, come on.
diarrhea.
Oh, don't walk in it.
Don't walk in it, buddy.
You're wiping it with this after.
Don't walk it, buddy.
Oh, it's Journey, look out. After we get done with I usually wipe the floor down with this. I've got wood from my chicken coop. She wants to see what's going on out here. You go see Papa?
I am asleep. Hey, hon. You been asleep? Come over here and let's talk the whole just rake all that to the edge. They probably got some holes they can fill in with it, but all that's gonna have to come off, and some of it's still in the ground.
Where you going? Go for a little ride. Don't go far. Hey, I'm gonna climb up on this tractor. and I'll take it. I'd have to figure out what the brakes are. Did he pee on you?
What? Oh, that's funny.
Honey.
Honey. It's slippery, huh?
Don't help him unhook yet. Probably want to get you a wheelbarrow, I guess, isn't he?
Where you going? She don't know how to start this. Hey, she don't know how to start this, does she?
If the key's on, she can stomp it and take
Well,
off.
she probably will. Start her.
The key's not on, though.
I don't know. Bye, see you later. Oh, look at her. She's trying to push that pedal. Trying to put her foot down. Bye, see you later. Oh! She did it.
She'll take off with that thing. I don't want her around that big old heavy equipment. Gotta go.
We'll drive her up there. Take her for a little ride up to the house.
Not real fair.
She can go.
I'll help Daddy.
No, she can go and stay on the golf cart.
Okay.
All right. You hang on. You hanging on?
Hold on.
You got a haircut? You just got laid on.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye, see you later. I'm gonna be hoeing, hoeing, hoeing all over this land. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any more? Nope. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Mom,
What?
I can't find the...
Hey guys. I was going to vlog earlier and I totally forgot. But right now it is 12. Oh, it's 11:47. I just finished up two of these. This one is actually, she needed it. I don't remember, but I was trying to make sure I get it out. And then I have 2 others, which reminds me. I believe this is it. I have 2 others that are, let me make sure this is the right size, that are supposed to be shipping out tomorrow. Oh, the ship date says tomorrow, but it's one of those, they ordered on a Sunday? Yeah, this is it. It's a Minnie Mouse. It's a Minnie Mouse, and they ordered on a Sunday, which 2 weeks would be Sunday. So the 2-week mark would be this Sunday. So technically it wouldn't go out until Monday. But I'm gonna see if I feel like working on it tomorrow, and then get it out on Saturday. But it's cut, and I mean, if I'm not doing anything else, I can. But I have a cyst on my ovary. I know I have a cyst on my ovary. I feel it. I have polycystic ovarian syndrome, and I've had it. Do what? You want to play with that? Okay, hold on. But I've had it ever since, you know, all my life, pretty much. Okay, sweetie, just wait 1 minute, okay, and we'll go. Carry that house? She did. Here, tell them what your sister did. She carried your house? Your sister did? Do you want me to carry it back upstairs for you? Okay, I will. Hold on 1 second. But anyway, so I woke up this morning and like I could just, if you have them, you know, it's like this really dull ache, and it's like usually on one side, whatever ovary it's on, and it's just like a nagging dull ache. So I've been dealing with that all day, and I really was like, do I work? Do I not work? But then I saw where they needed their order. They needed like the 21st, I think, which actually is what? I don't remember. Sometime next week. So I'm like, well, I'll make sure. I'll just get that one done. And then I have like 5 orders that need to go out on Monday. And this was one of them. So usually, I told you, if I'm set up for one, I try to do, you know. So I was like, well, if I do this one, it knocks it off from Monday. And then, again, this is a weekend order. I think it was either came in on a Saturday or a Sunday. So I'm getting that out. And then I have a tutu and a heat press, which I don't even know why I never did this heat press sooner, but probably because I just haven't taken the time to. I got to do that upstairs to print off the design. So my plan is that tomorrow I'm going to make this tutu, and I'm going to do the heat press. I'm going to make the hair bow that goes with it, and I'm going to make the hair bow that goes with the Minnie Mouse set. And then tomorrow evening, if I feel like it, I will come down here and I will make the ribbon trim and the shirt. And then that's all, clears up all weekend orders that were supposed to ship out, that say they're going to ship out tomorrow, Friday. And then it just leaves me with 4 orders for Monday, I think. By the way, I did turn up my turnaround time, so everything's running like really like a 12-day turnaround time. So, so I'm actually, you know, I'm doing pretty good. I'm thinking if I leave it, ribbon trims are still 2 weeks, and tutu sets are still 2 weeks. But I'm thinking if I leave it at the 12-day, as long as I keep, you know what I mean, keep cycling, keep moving at that pace, I'll be good. But if I get like a large amount of orders, then I'll probably bump that back up just to give me a little more extra leeway in there. But I'm gonna head upstairs. I'm gonna package these up and go to bed because I didn't sleep good last night. And yeah, and then tomorrow's a new day. I'll carry these up. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!